Welcome to the project demonstration of solar and wind based wireless power transmission for electric vehicle. In this project we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery, step down transformer and wind generator, solar panel, electric vehicle and 4 volts battery, and also using TP4056 and USB module, and also using robo switch. Here we can see the robo switch and also using wireless transmitter and wireless receiver. So here we can see the wireless receiver and also 4 motors for the 4 sides. So we can charge this battery through this step down transformer. It takes 230 volts of power supply through this power cable, and it will be given to this primary of the transformer, and will be step down up to 12 volts of AC. The 12 volts of AC will be given to this secondary of the transformer. Then it will be given to this bridge rectifier. Here I on the power supply. So you can see the light indication, which means battery get charged. And also we can see here also. So this bridge rectifier have a 3 bridge rectifiers. So one is for battery, one is for solar and one is for wind. So the solar output will be given to this bridge rectifier input, and the wind energy output will be given to this bridge rectifier input. So you can see this bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier will convert AC to DC. Then converted DC will be given to this 12 volts 2 amp battery. So one doubt will be raised in our mind: solar will be generated DC power and wind will be generated DC power. But why we are giving to this rectifier? Why? Because rectifier act as a polarity corrector, and it will be protect from the reverse voltage. Now it will see the wireless transmission. So we need to on this switch, and here we can see the inverter which converts DC to AC. Then it will be generate a magnetic field. Whenever this receiver coil comes nearly to this coil, then it will be charged wirelessly. So we need to on this switch of the robo. So we can see the light indication also. So when a robo go nearly to this coil, we can see the light indication. This is a light indication for the wireless charging. So now there is no any charge. Now there is a charge when this receiver coil go near to this transmitter coil, then it will be charged wirelessly. And here we can see the switch also. It will be for the forward and it is for the reverse. So we can see the light indication here. Here we can see the battery is connected to this TP4056 through this one. This TP4056 have a input. That input will be come through this wireless receiver. So here we can see the wireless receiver, and which consists also a rectifier. This coil takes a AC power, and also that will be given to this rectifier. Rectifier will be convert AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this TP4056. Through TP4056 we can charge this to this battery, and also we can control this motor through this switch. So here we can see the connections. So through TP4056 is connected to this USB, and it will be boost the voltage from 4 volts to 5 volts. That through 5 volts we will control this robo. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching. So we can see the light indication of this ring. If I rotate, for the courier packing we make like this. We can remove this one, and we can fit like this, and we can remove also, and we can add the power supply. So you can see it will be generated in a forward, and it will generate in reverse also. We can remove the supplies, and we can add the supplies. In this way this product will be works.